Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Engineering All-in-One. So in this video we will see MCQs on the Sustainable Development Goals. Before proceeding forward, I wish to request you that if you have not yet subscribed on my channel, subscribe it. Thank you. Now coming to question number 1. Question number 1 is the Sustainable Development Goals were implemented in 2015. Came into effect on, the dates here are 20 August 2016, 1 January 2016, 23rd of November, 23 November 2017, or none of the above. The correct option is option number second, 1 January 2016. Now question number second, total sustainable development goals are 27, 21, 17 and 13. The correct option is option number C, 17 sustainable development goals. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is sustainable development goals were adopted by the UN General Assembly in the year of 2014, 2015, 2013, 2018. The correct option is option number second, 2015. Question number 4 is sustainable development goals and targets are to be achieved by 2022, 2030, 2023, 2025. The correct option is option number second, 2030. Now coming to question number 5, the first sustainable development goal aims to eradicate extreme poverty, reduce inequalities, quality education and none. The correct option is option number first, eradicate extreme poverty. Question number 6, which country was first to achieve the goal of halving extreme poverty? Bangladesh, Maldives, Bhutan and Ghana. The correct option is option number 4, Ghana. Question number 7, who is responsible for the coordinating the action on the sustainable development goals in India? RBI, NABARD, Niti Aayog and SBI. The correct option is option number C, Niti Aayog, whose chairman is Prime Minister. Question number 8, sustainable development goals are designed to replace the minority development goals, millennium development goals, none and environmental development goals. The correct option is option number B, millennium development goals. First they were the millennium development goals, then they were replaced by SDG, sustainable development goals. Now question number 9, how many millennium development goals are there? 9, 8, 21, 17. I hope you have guessed the option. The correct option is option number B, 8. Question number 10, in SDG, sustainable development goals, each goal is supported by a set of targets, specific objectives that are associated with the goal. What are targets? They are the specific objectives. Targets are the specific objectives that are associated with the goal. So we have to here answer how many targets are. 180, 169, 185, 17. The correct option is option number B, 169 and 17 are the goals. Question number 11, three dimensions of the sustainable development goals are economic, environmental and religious, economic, environmental and political, environmental, economic and social, or none of the above. The correct option is option number C, economic, environmental and social. Now question number 12, when was the term sustainable development came into existence? When did should be here grammatically. 1987, 1980, 1978, 1992. The correct option is option number second, 1980. Question number 13, the United Nations Commission on Sustainable Development, CSD, was established by the UN General Assembly in December 1992, 1994, 1995, 1993. The correct option is option number first, December 1992. Now question number 14, goal 1 is about poverty. What is the aim of this goal? Cut poverty in half by 2030, reduce poverty by 75% by 2030 and poverty in all its forms everywhere, or none. The correct option is option number C, and poverty in all its forms everywhere. Question number 15, which of the following is not the part of sustainable development goal? access to the sustainable energy for all, availability of water and sanitation for all, provision of the internet services for all, and promotion of the decent jobs for all. The correct option is option number C, provision of the internet facilities to all. This is not the sustainable development goal. Now question number 17, technology which meets the sustainable development needs is often referred to as advanced technology, appropriate technology, sustainable technology, and adaptive technology. The correct option is option number second, appropriate technology. Question number 18. A promising direction towards the sustainable development is to design systems that are flexible and irreversible, flexible and reversible, inflexible and reversible, inflexible and irreversible. The question number option number second is the correct, flexible and reversible. Now question number 19. The Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) recognizes that all the countries must stimulate action in the following key areas. Option first is people, planet, prosperity, peace, and partnership. Second is people, planet, prosperity, planters, and planning. Third is people, planet, prosperity, planters, and partnership. And fourth is people, planet, prosperity, peace, and planning. While carefully reading the options, option number one is correct option. People, planet, prosperity, peace, and partnership. Question number 20. United Nations Decade of the Education for the Sustainable Development is from 2002 to 11, 3 to 12, 2004 to 13, and 2005 to 14. The correct option is option number D, 2005 to 14. Now question number 21. 21 is India has been, and is here, it has been ranked dash in 2020 Sustainable Development Report 100, 20, 170, and 50. The correct option is option number C, 117. 117 the position. India has been ranked 117th in the SDG index with overall score of rank is 117. We have to here answer what was the score. What is the score of India in 2020 SDG index? 100, 61.92, 50, 34. The correct option is option number B, 61.92. Now option number 23 is which country topped in SDG index with score of 84.72? Sweden, Denmark, Finland, and India. The correct option is option number 1, Sweden topped in SDG index 2020. Sorry for this, here should be 2020. 20. SDG index 2020. Now question number 24. Correct rank as per 2020 SDG index is. Which is the correct order? Order should be here. Order. Now Sweden, Denmark, Finland. Denmark, Finland, Sweden. Finland, Denmark, Sweden. None. The correct option is option number first. Sweden topped, then came the Denmark, and then came the Finland. So this is the correct answer. This, and this. Hope you have got this. Question number 25. Sustainable goals are designed to apply which countries? European countries, Asian countries, African countries, and all countries. The correct option is option number D, all countries. Now question number 26. United Nations Conference on the Sustainable Development, UNCSD. What is true about it? Its other names are Rio 2012, Rio plus 20, Earth Summit 2012. It was held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. It was the third international conference on sustainable development. All of these. The correct option is option number D, all of these. Hope you have got all the 26 MCQs. Once more, I request you, if you have got some amount of information from my video, subscribe it. Thank you. Stay blessed.